it's Chunny, and today we're playing this game. It's like Mario, but I don't know. It's a Flash game that my fans told me to play, so you know what, I'll play them, alright? Check it out. So I'm gonna call this Cat Mario. What the hell is that? What the hell? Isn't that supposed to be my... What? Okay, I'm not supposed to get that anyway. What the fuck? What was that? This game is kind of... Those damn Japos! Those Japanese make weird games? Hey, dodged you, bitch. That's right. What the hell? What the fudge was that? What the hell is up with this game? Alright. Oh, mushroom, let's get... What the fuck? No! No! Well, this game is stupid now! Is this game just supposed to be dumb? And you always die? Is it one of those... God damn! What? God damn it! This game... Come on, buddy! Come on, Cat Mario! I swear to God, any game that has to do with Mario sucks. I mean, just look at this game. I'll see if I can get this mushroom, though. God, what did he say in Japanese? Probably like, this game sucks balls. God damn. This game does... I don't understand this game. What is going... Alright, watch out for these. Don't get the try to get the... No. Screw the mushroom. Screw you, mushroom. I'm going out. I'm getting out of this place. Oh, trying to get me, bitch? I dodged you, mother asshole. Oh, star, nice. A star killed me! Probably because it was too spiky. God damn. What the What the What is this? Shit falling? What is this? Indiana... Oh my God, is this Indiana Jones or some shit? So many traps and shit. God damn it! God damn it! Oh my God! Why is my health damn! God damn it! God damn! Come on, jump over. Careful, bro. Careful, Cat Mario. Yep. Yeah. Oh no! Oh no! Oh God damn! Turtle thing. I'm trying to get what? I'm trying to... Screw it, I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna go along with this stupid... what? I don't want coins! Don't give me coins then! Stupid ass! What? Don't... No coin... No, I don't want... What? What the... What? 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 I don't want coins! No, please, this one... Oh my God!